How to build a bee hotel. On-screen text reads, what you need: hollow canes, plant pot, stones, secateurs. Step 1. Build. Use a cane to measure from the bottom of the pot to 1 centimetre below the rim. With the help of an adult, cut the cane, ensuring there's a clean opening. Continue to cut enough canes to fill the pot. Keep any short sections for later. Fill the pot with the long lengths until it is tightly packed. Fill any gaps with the short pieces. Step 2. Assemble. Find a sheltered spot that receives the winter sun and make a base out of stones. Place the pot so that it faces slightly downwards to allow the rainwater to escape. Your bee hotel is now ready for guests to move in. Step 3. Observe. Keep watch. Solitary bees lay eggs in the holes and seal them with a door of mud. Credits over a bee now settled in the bee hotel.